Well, let's move on now to our very next story to business. The Nigerian Exchange recorded a bullish week, delivering a gain of 295 billion naira in market capitalization amid positive investor sentiment. The all-share index ASI rose 0.50% to close at 97,722.28 points, bringing its year-to-date return to 30.69%. Key drivers included strong buying interest in flour mill, Oando, and Guarantee Trust Holding Company. Analysts attributed the gains to sector rotation and portfolio rebalancing following promising Q3 earnings reports. Financial services led the trading activity with 1.068 billion shares, accounting for over 72% of turnover. Oil and gas and consumer goods also contributed significantly. Despite the positive trend, investor caution remained, with more decliners than gainers in the broader market due to ongoing economic uncertainties. Joining me now on News Central is Muhamadu Saidu, Senior Research Analyst at Trust Bank Capital Management Limited. Thank you for being here. Let's go straight into it. What factors do you think contributed to the Nigerian Exchange's shift to a bullish trend, now resulting in a 295 billion naira gain?
Good morning. So let's go straight into it. A number of factors we can see contributed to this shift. Firstly, in the previous 2 weeks, we saw the market tilting slightly towards the bears. So even on the back of strong Q3 performances from a lot of sectors. So it was only natural for us to see investors start coming in at attractive levels and picking up maturities, especially in like the banking and insurance sectors, which were, especially the insurance sector, which was depressed for a while. So it was only natural we saw stocks in the insurance sector bouncing back. Also, we also saw stocks like flour mill, which were not necessarily because of the performance, but rather the news of them changing the listing price from 17 naira to 6 naira. So it was a mix of a number of factors, but not necessarily one single factor.
Okay. You say a list of many factors, but can you also share the role that the sector rotation and portfolio rebalancing played, especially in driving positive market sentiment last week?
It was one of the major reasons actually, because in a bearish market, we usually see portfolio managers reshape their portfolios, especially when a lot of their stocks are down. They're usually looking for opportunities here and there. So they saw a lot of opportunities in like the insurance sector and the banking sector. So that was the major factor that really pushed the market back up.
Okay. Could the inflation affect performance on the NGX this week?
With the NGX, inflation is not usually it's a major factor, but we don't usually see it in the short term. So like when inflation data comes out, naturally with the NGX, it's usually more of a long-term play. So in the short term, it's usually the fixed income market that usually reacts directly to inflation data. But obviously with time, a lot of market players start factoring the inflation data into some of these prices of the stocks.
Very interesting. Thank you so much for speaking with us here this morning.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.